Hey, Chris here. This is a Bentley. The front leather seats were in bad shape and I reconditioned them. The funny thing is I've been posting before and after pictures of jobs like this for years, but now you get to see the whole process and the before and afters at the end. Hope you enjoy. Wow, you made it to the end of a video about leather furniture repair. Appreciate it. If you wouldn't mind, give me a like, and if you'd like to subscribe, I do this every day, so I'll probably be posting more leather transformation videos. Have a good one.